Welcome to The Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're joining us today because, honestly, we're looking at something truly transformative. Think of this explainer as your ultimate guide to taking that smartphone you're holding or the computer you're looking at right now and turning it into a total powerhouse for learning and earning. Today, we're breaking down the first chapter of the XYMENYA Guide to Digital Literacy and Online Income. Okay, let's dive right in. Just picture this for a second. Earning money using only your smartphone. No, seriously, imagine it. Imagine picking up vital, high-paying skills from anywhere in the world, and you never even have to step foot inside a traditional classroom. Picture yourself building a full-on business, growing an audience, or working with international clients, literally all from your bedroom. That's the actual incredible reality of the modern digital world we live in, and that's exactly what we're going to unlock for you today. So here is our roadmap for this explainer. 1. Welcome to the digital world. 2. How the internet actually works. 3. Websites and social media. 4. And I know you're going to love this one, earning money online. And 5. Essential advice for beginners. Let's get to it. Kicking things off with Section 1, Welcome to the digital world and the true power of technology today. Right now, technology is fundamentally rewiring how we learn, how we talk to each other, how we work, and definitely how we build businesses. Because of this massive shift, understanding digital tools, well, it's no longer just some nice bonus on your resume. It's absolutely crucial. It's one of the most important life skills you can develop right now. But what actually is the internet that's powering the whole shebang? At its core, it's a huge global network. It connects our personal laptops, our smartphones, and massive servers, which are basically just super powerful computers storing websites and data all over the planet. Think of it like a giant, bustling digital highway connecting the entire globe. I mean, because of this digital highway, a student sitting right now in Rwanda can effortlessly learn programming from a teacher located all the way in the United States. It completely erases borders. Moving right along to Section 2, How the Internet Actually Works, right behind the screen. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how simple it actually is. It all comes down to data transfer, basically digital information moving rapidly back and forth between devices. Let's walk through exactly how this happens. Let's say you want to watch a video. Step 1, you type a website name into your device, like YouTube. Step 2, your phone or computer shoots a request out into the network. Step 3, a server somewhere, maybe thousands of miles away, receives that request. Step 4, that server fires the information, like the videos and images, right back to you. And finally, Step 5, the website appears on your screen. It all happens in literally milliseconds, but this specific 5-step sequence, that is the invisible foundation of everything we do online. Now, to navigate the space like a pro, you just need a few essential terms in your toolkit. First up, we have Wi-Fi, which is simply a wireless internet connection. Then there's mobile data, and that's the internet provided through your phone's SIM card network, from providers like MTN or Airtel. And finally, a browser. This is just the actual app you use to open and view websites. Think Google Chrome or Firefox. Got those down? Perfect. Now you are fully equipped and should feel totally confident moving forward. Which brings us to Section 3, Websites and Social Media, or what I like to call your digital real estate. Okay, so now that we understand the digital highway, let's look at the actual destinations. This is where we spend our time online. It's where we consume content, communicate, and ultimately where we build businesses. At the very core of all this digital real estate is the domain name. This is a unique address for every single website on the internet. It's kind of like how a physical house has a street address so people can find it, right? A website has a domain name, like google.com or facebook.com. When you visit one of these unique addresses, you're accessing a specific collection of text, images, videos, and links that make up that exact website. And websites generally fall into a few distinct neighborhoods. First, you've got educational websites. These are platforms built specifically for learning, like, the XYMENYA platform itself. You've got business websites for company promotions. Then there's e-commerce, which are those massive digital marketplaces like Amazon or Jumia for buying and selling stuff. And of course, your news and entertainment sites for daily updates, streaming videos, and gaming. But let's be real, the most interactive destinations on the internet are social media platforms. These are spaces built entirely for you to create content, to share, to communicate, and to build massive audiences. Whether we're talking about Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, X, or LinkedIn, these platforms are vital ecosystems. They aren't just for, chatting with friends anymore. They are powerful, foundational tools for communication, marketing, and really building your personal brand. However, and we really need to pause here, it is crucial to look at the full picture. We have incredible advantages: lightning-fast communication, insane audience growth, and business promotion. For example, a small local restaurant can use Instagram or TikTok to show off its food, and boom, suddenly find hundreds of new customers online overnight. But right alongside that, we must be very aware of the risks. The internet brings serious challenges. We're talking fake news, screen addiction, online scams, cyberbullying, and real privacy problems. You absolutely must keep these risks in mind as you navigate your digital real estate. All right, Section 4, Earning Money Online. Welcome to the digital economy. So once you've grasped the basics of the internet and social media that we discovered, you can transition from just being a consumer of content to becoming a creator and an earner. You can literally take this foundational digital knowledge and turn it into actual, steady income. The digital economy is ridiculously vast. We're talking avenues like YouTube content creation, freelancing, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, blogging, and online teaching. And this brilliantly illustrates just how open the field is. There is no single right way to make money online. Whether you love writing articles, designing graphics, teaching a class, or selling templates, there is an avenue perfectly suited for your specific skills. Let's zoom in on freelancing for a second. This means working online for clients without being permanently employed by one single company. Essentially, you're your own boss, offering your services on huge platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. For example, a talented graphic designer sitting right in Rwanda can easily be hired to create logos for clients all the way over in Canada or the USA. The global market is completely open to you. Another fantastic avenue is generating passive income through digital products or affiliate marketing. Digital products, things like ebooks, online courses, photo presets, or music beats, are incredible because you create them once and they can be sold infinite times without you ever having to physically ship a thing. Affiliate marketing is a bit different. This is where you earn a commission on sales. Say you share a special product link on your TikTok or your YouTube channel. Whenever your viewers buy through that specific link, you earn a percentage of that sale. It's a real game changer. Finally, Section 5, Essential Advice for Beginners. Consider this your blueprint for success. We've talked about a lot of exciting, life-changing opportunities today. But before you rush off to start your digital empire, let's look at how to make sure your online journey is actually safe and successful. Because building an online income takes real strategy, grounded expectations, and a whole lot of discipline. First off, start slowly and keep learning. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on mastering just one skill first and practice it consistently. Always be vigilant and avoid online scams. If something sounds way too good to be true, it probably is. Work on building an audience and a personal brand. But above all else, be patient and be disciplined. Success online doesn't happen overnight, but I promise you, with consistent effort, it will happen. So, I'm going to leave you with this final question. Are you ready to master your computer and your smartphone? We have honestly just scratched the surface of how the internet works and the incredible opportunities it holds for earning income. But to really take full advantage of this, you need to know your tools inside and out. In our next explainer covering Chapter 2, we are going to dive right into the actual mechanics of your devices, file management, and some absolutely vital digital security. You definitely will not want to miss it. See you then!